Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and I would like to say thank you and welcome to my new subscriber. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា It's big now. Let's see how it grow. I'm going to dig one. It's a very good size. ធំល្អ See, that's the ramp right there. ដើមខ្ទឹមព្រៃ This is young and tender. You can eat the whole thing. នៅខ្ចីឆ្ងាញ់ជ្រលក់ទឹកគ្រឿងស្រស់ជ្រលក់ទឹកគ្រឿងញ៉ាំបានឆ្ងាញ់ផ្អែម And all of those over this are ramps. ខ្ទឹមព្រៃទាំងអស់ I pick only that much to show in the video. ខ្ញុំដកបានប៉ុណ្្នឹងឯងដើម្បីបង្ហាញក្នុង video. That's what a ramp look like. It's young. ដើមខ្ទឹមព្រៃវានៅខ្ចីល្អ And all of that is ramp plant. And this is my ramp spot that I've been here almost 3-4 years already. កន្លែងខ្ទឹមព្រៃរបស់ខ្ញុំ And try not to pick a lot, otherwise you run out. កុំឲ្យដកច្រើនតែខំវាដាច់ពូជ And once again, I would like to say thank you to my new subscriber. I really appreciate it that you come into my channel and watch all my video, foraging, mushroom hunting. ខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបាន subscribe channel នាងខ្ញុំមើល video នាងខ្ញុំធ្វើម្ហូបដកផ្សិតដកបន្លែព្រៃ If you subscribe, like and share, there are more video in the future. And thank you so much. This is in the woods. Very nice day. ថ្ងៃនេះថ្ងៃក្តៅល្អណាស់ Isn't that beautiful? It's very nice. I'm here to look for morel too, but I didn't see it yet. ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមកដើររកមើលផ្សិត morel ប៉ុន្តែអត់ទាន់ឃើញដុះទេ Maybe 2 more weeks will come. And say hi to Sam. See all those ramps? Fields of ramp. Come say hi to my ramps. មើលដើមខ្ទឹមស្អាតណាស់ Not a lot of people know about these. When I first started, I don't even know either. But it smells like onion. It's small, I got purple. Green leaf. This is a baby yet. I will do another video when it's grow bigger. And some people will confuse with lily of the valley. And I will do that video comparison. ខ្លះណាគេអត់ស្គាល់គេច្រឡំដើម lily of the valley អាហ្នឹងវា poison ណាវាពុលតែដើមនេះស្អាតហ่ะ Show you some more. Look at that. All those little ramps growing. ច្រើនណាស់ណាដើមខ្ទឹមព្រៃហ្នឹងដុះច្រើនមែនទែន